In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a battery on a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two nuts for the brace. We're going to lift up this trim, be right under there. Remove the brace and the bolt. Using an 8mm wrench, we're going to remove our battery terminals from the battery. I'm going to get the negative loose and put it out of the way. Remove both terminals, remove the battery, install the battery into the vehicle. And install my positive cable first. Snug down the terminal till it's nice and snug. Install the negative battery cable. Get it started by hand and snug it down. Install the brace. I'm going to get my bolt started on the far side. Snug down both bolts. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.